my friends, and welcome back to MTD CNC North America. Today, I am in Mexico at Centumex, and I'm going to introduce you to an amazing friend of mine. Her name is Fernanda, and she's going to help me at Expo Manufacturer do these interviews in Spanish because, as you all know, I can barely speak English. So the fact that she can speak at least 2 languages and is going to help me today, I am so excited to bring this technology to you in multiple languages through the MTD platform. And I think she might be excited as well. Fernanda, welcome to MTD. What do you think?
I'm very, very excited to be here with you, Tony. I'm a little bit nervous, but very excited, and I think we're going to hit this.
I know we will, and I know that there's a teetering line between excitement and worry, right? But you are on the excitement side of
Yeah,
things, and we're
totally.
happy to have you as well. Plus, to be fair, trade shows are kind of your thing, right?
Yes, they are. I have been in trade shows since 6 years ago, and I really love trade show. I feel like a fish in the water.
You're very comfortable. So, because of that, I imagine, even though this is your first time giving this a go, you are going to be familiar walking around, owning the trade show a little bit, learning
Yeah.
more about the technology. And the most important thing, like we all know when we watch the MTD videos, is to truly care about what the other people are saying. And I know you do that. You love the technology here.
Yeah, I love that technology, and every time I go to a trade show, I left it like very impressed of all what this company do for for us, for the city, for the growth of Mexico. So I'm very excited to see what new trends they have for us now.
Well, I'm going to throw some stats at you that I've studied that you may already know about, but it leads into what you were just saying about supporting Mexican market. Did you know that Mexico is number 10 in the world in manufacturing? That's pretty incredible. And the number
Yep.
one Latin American country, with the second Latin American country being Brazil around number 27. So imagine how significant that is to the Mexican market. And
Yeah.
Spain is 15 in the world. So Mexico leads for those Spanish-speaking countries. Kind of neat, right?
Yeah, incredible.
And when we think about that, number one, I think in Mexico is the automotive
Automotive.
world.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think automotive in all the countries in the world, I want to say it ranges somewhere between 2 and 4, and it varies as it continues to grow in Mexico. But the market here is so much automotive,
Yep.
right?
And recently also aerospace too.
I've seen a lot of aerospace
Yep.
and even some medicals coming in here as well because I've done the research where the average pay or salary for a Mexican employee is actually less than the Chinese average pay at this point, which means why do we do so many miles and miles or kilometers and kilometers away? We're doing what's now called near shoring instead of reshoring. We're doing some in the US, but the support of Mexico is amazing in many ways, and near shoring is important to the relationship between the US and Mexico.
Yeah, it is.
And to go along with that even is the fact that we have the same rules and regulations, Mexico, US, and Canada.
Canada, yeah. I think last year we got a new trade between the three of them, that TMEC. So I think this is helping a lot to the industry between these three countries. And probably the one who gets more excited about this is Mexico because we get to make deals with the US and Canada.
Well, Fernanda, we're about to walk into this trade show on day one and do a ton of videos in English and Spanish.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about seeing here?
I think that the thing that I'm most excited about is 3D printing and to see the robots they have now. I have seen that there are a lot of new things they can do. So I'm very excited to see what new trends they have for us.
So, knowing that you come from Monterrey and you love the city very much, your
Yeah.
family is here, your cousins are here, you love it. Can you share with the audience some of the beautiful aspects of Monterrey?
I think that the most beautiful aspect that we have here in Monterrey is that this is called the city of mountains. So all the city, Tony, is surrounded by mountains. Whatever you see, you can see, I think that this side is the Cerro de la Silla, to the other side is el Cerro de las Mitras, la Sierra Madre, el Cerro del Topo Chico. We have a lot of mountains. We can do a lot of hiking in here also. A lot of adventure sports, like hiking, swimming, like in the rivers, waterfalls as well. So even if this is a very industrial city, we have a lot of nature. Oh, here next to Centumex is Fundidora. This used to be a place where for metal working and to a lot of industry. and they decide to make it a park. So now there is a park full of trees, full of life. They have rivers, dogs, um, and you can come and walk and stay with your family, rent a bike, spend all the day there. They also have a nice skating thing there. So yeah, after the trade show, we can go and have fun to Fundidora.
Well, guys and gals, there you have it. This is Monterrey. We are at Centumex. We're at Expo Manufacturer. This is Fur. She's amazing, and we look forward to bringing you all the technology coming from Mexico. Stay tuned. We have some good stuff coming, right, Fur?
Yes, nos vemos.